Let's take a look at the topic. What is sustainable management? There are many natural resources found on Earth like plants and trees, mountains, minerals, fuels, etc. Let us take an example of fuel. Petrol is found in the Earth's crust. If we use it without limit, then we will run out of petrol and diesel because they are limited on Earth. Then what will we do without it? We will get stuck and face challenges. Another example. Long ago, the air on the earth used to be fresh and pure, which was good for our health too. We had sufficient plants and trees around us. But today the air is polluted, which is causing health issues, which includes cough, breathing problem, eye irritation, and other problems. If we compare with present situation, earlier people used to be more healthy. That is because of too much pollution on the earth. Today, pollution is caused by vehicle smoke, by cutting of trees, urbanization, building of more factories, etc. This is changing the quality of air and polluting it. Today, the air has become toxic, which is affecting the health, and we are stuck in this environment. Third example, water bodies. Earlier, the water used to be clean and pure, but today it is polluted, which is also causing health problems like itching, stomachache, etc. Earlier, the water used to be healthy. Chemical waste released from factories are dumped in river water, washing of clothes, disposal of waste. These activities are polluting the water. Mauritius beaches and sea are crystal clear. The sea water is so clean that one can see till a decent depth of the sea. We could see the stones and rocks beneath the water. Over a few months ago, Japanese cargo ship ran aground on a coral reef off the coast of Mauritius, leaking up to 1,000 tons of heavy oil into a pristine lagoon. This affected the lives of the water species, and many were killed by this incident. The beautiful and clean island of Mauritius was affected by oil spill. So the human activities are polluting the environment. Now the water on the island is not that clear that it used to be because of the pollution. Similarly, many places of the earth are being polluted. Let's imagine if we cut down all the trees of the earth and we left the earth with no trees, then the oxygen will be reduced on the earth. If we lose it due to our greed and ignorance and attitude of not caring, we will face many problems. If we use the available resources unnecessarily, then we will face many challenges. We will have to carry the oxygen cylinder in back wherever we go. Because without trees, there will be no oxygen left in the air. So we can't imagine what would be the consequences if we remove all the trees from the earth. So it is very important for us to use available resources in a limited manner. For example, earlier, monsoon used to arrive timely. It would arrive in the mid of June and last till August or September. But today, due to environmental imbalance, the amount of rainfall is less in many places. Earlier, monsoon would last till 3 to 4 months. Today, due to environmental imbalance, weather is severely affected. And also because of the pollution due to smoke from factories and having less trees in the environment. These human activities are exploiting the natural resources. So before using the natural resources, we have to think how to use it properly, because it is important for us to conserve the natural resources. Let me give you an example. At weddings, we fill up our plates with lots of food, but we cannot eat alone all the food. Then what do we do with that leftovers? Is it right to throw it in the dustbin? No, this is wrong. It is wastage of food. Similarly, whenever we use anything, we need to avoid wastage and we should think how to reuse it. You must remember that in the previous video, we have discussed about 3 R's: reduce, recycle, like reducing the wastage of things, and recycle it to use it again, and reuse. For example, using old clothes for dusting and cleaning the house. Or we can make other things by our own ideas. This is how we can manage our natural resources. By following these points, we can protect the earth and conserve the natural resources. It is very important to limit the use of resources.